Hello, Brad. Again with another fragrance review from the Acqua de Parma Blue Mediterraneo line. This one is called Arancia de Capri. And this is the little sample I got. And the card here, inside the card, it says, the cool, relaxing notes of citrus fruit on an evocative musk and caramel base. This one came out in 1999, classified as a unisex citrus aromatic. Top notes of orange, Sicilian mandarin, bergamot, and grapefruit. Heart notes of petit grain and cardamom. And in the base we have caramel and musk. Over at base notes, 10 positives, 9 neutrals, and 4 negatives. So this one was sort of a lackluster overall rating from base notes. But basically what you're going to get from this one is a sweet orange. As you can see, 3 of the 4 citrus notes in the top are some kind of an orange. I think they overpower the grapefruit. So you're going to get mostly the orange from the citrus, and then the caramel base really sweetens it up. So it's almost like an orange syrup or a lifesaver orange kind of a feel. Kind of reminds me of those syrups they might use to make snow cones. Like if you want to get a snow cone, you ask for an orange snow cone, and the lady starts pumping the orange syrup in there. That's kind of what it smells like to me. There is a little bit of a petit grain note there. Gives it a slight green touch, but mostly that gets overpowered as well. So I would say this one is something to check out if you're into orange, linear orange fragrances along the lines of John Varvatos Artisan, Clinique Happy, I suppose. But like I mentioned before, when I did Artisan before, I think Santalum Slivers for me is still the best orange that I've smelled. So this one to me, just a little bit too sweet and candy-like, didn't really do it for me. So let me get into some final scores here. The smell, I'm going to give it 5 out of 10. Not so much that it smelled bad, but it's just so much, just so, I guess you could say boring, unimaginative. Some people say it kind of smells like orange soda. So, I don't know if that's the case or not, but yeah, it is the case. So, of course, I brush my teeth, so it's actually a little bit better than that. But still, it just didn't really cut it in terms of smell, projection, longevity. Again, this one's more of a skin scent. It might give you about an hour or so of a nice little aroma around you, but kind of iffy in that regard. 5 out of 10 for projection, longevity, versatility. Now this one you could wear all spring and summer, but I would find it kind of boring myself. It's a 6 out of 10. I don't see myself grabbing this one very much because of that. I would always grab my Santalum Slivers instead. Uniqueness, 5 out of 10. This whole orange thing seems to be done to death. I mean, I haven't even tried Orange Sanguine or Little Italy from Bond Number 9, and already I'm sick of these, pure, straight-up orange fragrances. 5 out of 10 uniqueness. Price point, 4 out of 10. You're going to probably expect to pay $100 for a bottle of this stuff. I just don't see why you would. Even if I had a free bottle, I still don't think I would grab it for it much. With that being said, 5 out of 10 for this one. Probably the weakest link in the Blue Mediterraneo line, in my opinion, from what I've tried so far. But the next one I try, giving you a heads up, is probably going to be my favorite. In fact, I just ordered a bottle because it's discontinued, and it's pretty good stuff from my first impression of it. So look forward for that. Talk to you guys later, and have a nice day.